Hello and welcome back to another session of your computer class, and we were discussing about how we can apply transition effects to our slides. In today's session, we will be talking about how we can modify transition effects, how we can remove already applied transition effects, and what do you mean by advancing of slides. So, let's see our presentation. Modifying slides. To modify the duration of the slide, select the slide that includes the transition you want to modify. In the duration field in the timing group, enter the amount of time you want the transition to take. For example, if you see this window over here, we have specified, or we will specify the length as 2 seconds in the duration box. How we can add sound with transition effect. For adding sound in the transition effect, select the slide that includes the transition you want to modify. Click the sound drop down menu in the timing group. You will hear the sound and see a live preview of the transition as you hover over each sound. Click a sound to apply it to the selected slide. How we can remove a transition. For removing transition, select the slide you want to modify. Choose None from the gallery in the transition to this slide group. You can see the window here. Here we have chosen None. This will remove the transition effects from the slide. Repeat this process for each slide you want to modify. To remove transitions from all slides, select a slide that uses None. Then click the Apply to All command. Advancing of slides. To advance slides automatically, that means to run a presentation automatically and not manually. In slideshow view, you will typically advance to the next slide by clicking your mouse or pressing enter on your keyboard. Using the advanced slides settings in the timing group, you can set your presentation to advance on its own instead and display each slide for a specific amount of time. Now, just have a look on this window where what you have to do, you will be unchecking this on mouse click option and you will check on this after option and you will set the timings for how long you want one slide to be displayed on the screen. After that, it will automatically switch to the next slide. I hope this much is clear to you all. Now, select the slide you want to modify. Locate the timings group on the transitions tab. Under advanced slide, you have to uncheck this on mouse click. And in the after field, just enter the time. Select another slide and repeat the same process until all the desired slides have an appropriate timing. So, thank you for this session.